Do you reckon you get a kick in the modern game?
Yep.
Circle up, plump, big circle.
Big circle up, one big circle.
Plump.
Plump.
You go in the middle, smacker. It's all good. Darth, how many golf balls are you going to lose next week? Maybe you should play with your goggles, I reckon. Yep. Yeah. Lynch?
What do you got?
Gee, those feathers are coming back.
Mike up.
Well, you wanted to bite then. Hey guys, Dev Smith here. Happy to be back. Feels nice running around, no pain, and yeah, we're well and truly into pre-season. Generally Tuesday we're outside, but today's a bit of smog around, so we're inside in the hangar. It's a bit of a sauna in here, but it's good for the skin folds. So who's fitter out of you two? Who's fitter out of you two?
Okay, boys.
He confirmed me.
Who's fitter?
He confirmed me.
You don't think so?
Do you reckon it's going to stitch you up again?
Huh? We've done in 5 minutes.
You're going to stitch me up.
Didn't kick full?
Not on me.
No.
That day, you're going to kick for me?
6, isn't it?
Don't say that.
Not you, 4 you.
No. It's 3-1. I'm 3, he's 1.
Holy pipes! Look at the pipes on Jim. Yeah, lucky we're on tape today. There's a few boys feel a bit hard done by in all our games. The forwards group, we played a number of games, never ended up on the most points won.
The ball hits the ground, you must start again. First person with 50, both balls up in the air will win. Any more questions?
How big's your Barbie?
Not big enough.
Is this 1,000 touches a day? That's it? My heart rate, I reckon, is 140. Look, have we got any foot faults over here? Jono's looking awfully close there in front of me. Maybe you should teach Connor how to handball. You too. tell the Mike what happened.
Right, in a handball, I don't care which
Me and Sean McKean had a race in the 2K. And we lost by 5 seconds, so actually a bit upset.
He's very slow.
What was that? Straight past you. Straight past you. What was that? Who went past me? Flash.
Moz. Bit of basketball. Jeez, I wish I had bigger hands. Horse, can I borrow your hands? Yes! Chance. Oh! He's got tunnel vision!
Give him a point. In the meantime, I have to get handballs until the ball lands. I'll snell it back to him. Then I have to catch that ball.
How many?
That will be considered a completion. All right, so I'll just do one handball with snell. Ready? Successful completion.
Yep. We wanted two. I knew we'd get him melting. He dropped the first handball, sir. He's touching him, sir.
That's smart, that was very smart.
There we go. You might be next round again.
Well done to Raz today. He got the chocolates, but I think Jakey thinks he was hard done by, and so does Big Horsey. So at the end there, we had to try and finish Jado, String and I 20 marks in a row. Took a bit longer than we wanted, but yeah, it was a good split up in the end. Looking forward to cracking into the rest of the pre-season. We're off to Coffs Harbour this Sunday. Go up there for a week with a lot of leadership staff, get to know each other a lot more, and also hopefully get out and help out some farmers up there. Oh. Yes? Oh yes, Jake. Oh yes, Jaden. This is a bogey number. The bogey. Yes, yes. This is. I can feel it. Can feel it. Lunchtime, boys, on the chest. Thanks, DJ. That was better than our swim this morning. We burned a lot more calories.